All right, welcome back. Well, listen, if you want to find a fun Halloween activity to do with the kids, maybe before or after you go out and trick or treat today, you can create your own spooky slime with household ingredients. Many of them you might already have in your house. We have Alexandra Douglas with us right now with STEM Nola and Nola Beavers, a senior at Patrick F. Taylor, joining us now to create some spooky slime. And I was getting ahead of myself. I'm so excited. Let's make some spooky slime. Nola, the senior here, talking about STEM. We always love talking about STEM. Obviously, it's educational, but the way to do it is to have fun. That's when you learn the most.
Of course.
So tell me what we're doing. Walk me through this. I'm ready.
All right, so today with our spooky slime, we have our ingredients. You're gonna need your cup and your spoon that you're gonna mix your slime
Mine's
in.
got crazy eyes on it.
We're gonna have your glue. We already have our glue pre-poured.
Nice.
Next, we're gonna take our saline solution
Okay.
right here, and you're gonna take about 2 tablespoons and pour it right into your glue.
Okay. Saline solution, that's just, I mean, a lot of people might have stuff like that.
Yes.
If you got like a first aid kit, a lot of times they'll have that in there.
Yes.
Awesome. So while you keep talking, I'm going to get mine in there.
All right.
I'm going first, Alexander. I'm going ahead of you, I know.
You're way too excited for this.
I'm way too excited. All right, so we get this going in here. And I mean, again, these are 2 ingredients. Saline solution, maybe not as common, but a lot of people have stuff like that in their house. No problem. We go along with the glue.
My turn.
And what do we do next?
Next, you're gonna take food coloring.
Okay.
You can do any color of your choice. I'm gonna have a pumpkin.
Okay.
So
Oh, yeah,
I'm
you're
gonna
right.
do both red and yellow.
And does it matter? You can put just a few drops? I don't know how
Yeah,
much
just a
is
few
good.
drops.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
I'm gonna do a little blue today.
Okay. Well, let's all do different
Switch
stuff.
this up.
Okay.
A couple drops.
And you're just gonna mix it well until, you know,
Okay.
everything's all mixed together, everything's
There we go.
diluted fully.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, and you know, right away I can tell we have a finished product, so and the parent's like, okay, how messy is this gonna be? If you keep it in the cup, as long as you keep it in the cup, you'll probably be all right.
Yes.
There we go.
Okay. Wait, I need more green. It's not green enough.
All right.
And then talk me through what we do after that.
After this, we are gonna take your baking soda. So we have this already laid out. You're gonna take just a little bit at the start.
Okay.
However stiff or like stretchy you want your slime to be, depends
I
on
want
how
it
much baking
stretchy.
soda you
Come
add.
on.
So you're gonna start off with just a little bit for
Okay.
that. And you can add a little bit more slowly depending on how, how stiff
right.
you want it to be.
All right. Going in
Sprinkle
here.
it in.
And so, and all you spend a lot of time with STEM. You seem like you know what you're doing. You seem like you know how to teach it, basically.
Yes,
at
I
this
used to
point.
make slime all the time.
Nice.
So basically, the way this works is the saline solution has borate ions in it.
Oh, wow.
And that reacts with the baking soda,
Okay.
which allows the glue to make such a stretchy texture because glue has polymers in it.
Ah.
And they get binded together.
Yeah, it's doing, okay, this is cool, because now I can
Which-
see it's literally turning into slime.
Yep.
As soon as you throw that baking soda in there. And this
There
is
we
where, oh, one of my eyes fell off. Oh, no.
It's
It's a
okay.
Cyclops now. But see, this is the part the parents will be happy with, because once it gets stretchy like this, it becomes less of a mess, at least, because it kind of stays together.
There we
Yes.
go.
Yeah. All right. Did I do too much? Sneaks up on you.
Maybe,
Yeah, you
maybe
might
a
have.
bit. But you have
Help
putty
me.
now instead of slime.
Now it's more putty. All right.
Yeah.
All right.
There
So
we
you
go.
explain the process there, so that's important for kids to know just why these ingredients act the way they do with each other. And then what do we do next?
Now we just
Now
play
you
That's
with
have
it?
it.
the slime.
Now,
You
do
can
I
just
pull it
kinda
out?
We
with
just
your
play
slime.
with it, have fun.
Okay.
Stretch it out as much as you'd like.
See, I did way too much with the. I'm having trouble even getting it out. Okay. Wait, there we go.
Yeah.
Yeah.
There we go.
Okay. Yep. All right. We're in business. We're cooking now. All right. So, Alexander, I want to ask you too, because obviously Anala's super smart as always. They always are. Super good at explaining the process, the science behind it. Obviously, science, technology, engineering, and math. Tell me about what STEM Nola is up to these days.
So if you guys are looking to make your own slime, we're having a STEM Saturday, The Power of Chemistry, where you can also make your own chemical battery-powered clock.
Oh.
So November 8th, be sure to register. Check us out on all social media and website at stemnola.com.
Nice. And so this is something, I mean, this is a perfect, I mean, we were just talking about you guys going to have Halloween plans, I'm sure. I mean, it's on a Friday. The weather's nice. I mean, kids, you get done trick-or-treating. Parents want to keep them entertained. This is a good way to do it right here.
Yep.
Of course.
Yeah.
And
All right.
it's
Well,
perfectly on theme.
very, very much on theme. This is spooky. It's gross. It's slimy. This is the stuff you want if you're a kid and if you're me. All right, 9:51 now.